In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover the iconic opening window sound easily just by doing some simple steps. For example, when we used to open the windows, this iconic sound will be played before the windows. Now, how you can recover it? There is a simple way to do it. Just simply click on Windows plus this menu will be pop up, and here type MMSYS, which is mean system.cpl, and then click on OK. After this menu will be pop up. Just go to sound section here, click on sounds. Now in here you will find out play Windows startup sound, enable this option, then click on apply, then click on OK. After this, when you start your PC or Windows, this iconic sound will be played. And for more videos like this, subscribe to Solutions Nerds. If you have any question, comment down below. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.